We're getting our first look at the Velocicoaster, and we can see some blue stuff at the top. Apparently that's because there was an osprey up top, making its nest, making its home. But progress is looking real good over here. So much stuff. Look at it all. Lots of progress. Looking better every day. Wow, the rock work is really taking shape here. Looking really good. You can see there's a hole in the middle of the rock work there, but you can even see some foliage added inside. And then through here you can see a bit of theming, but this thing is looking real good. And here's our look from Toon Lagoon of the rumored Velocicoaster. This thing's looking so good. Looks like all the track is now done. That S-bend right here has now been installed. So, looks like everything's in place. Now it's just theming, getting everything testing, but shouldn't be too much longer. Probably summer next year, but we'll see.